In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header in Card.co. Card.co is a straightforward platform for creating simple, responsive, one-page websites. If you're aiming to add a unique touch to your site by creating a header, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and show you how to do just that. First, you'll want to open your Card editor. This is the central hub where you'll be making all the magic happen. If you're not already familiar with it, the Card editor gives you a visual layout of your website, making it easy to see changes in real time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Add Element. This is where you can add various components and build up your site's layout piece by piece. Next, from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Control, as it allows you to manage the structural aspects like headers and dividers. After selecting Control, you'll need to set the type to Header Marker. This specific control is what you'll use to define the boundary of your website's header. You can think of a header marker as a signpost. It indicates where the header section begins and ends. Now drag the header marker to your desired location. This is where you want your header to stop. The beauty of Card is its drag and drop functionality, making adjustments as simple as clicking and moving elements around. Find the perfect placement where you want your header to conclude, and once you're satisfied, release the click. Dropping the header marker here will assign all elements above it to the site's header. It's important to understand how header markers work. They define the area considered the header of your Card website. Essentially, any elements placed above this marker will be part of your header. Conversely, anything below will belong to the main body of your content. This distinction is crucial for maintaining an organized and visually appealing structure. Adding a header isn't just about segmenting your site, it's about adding character and functionality. You can personalize the header by incorporating a variety of elements such as logos, navigation menus, and other content that best represents your brand or message. Headers are like a handshake. They're the first thing visitors interact with, setting the tone for the entire site. And there you have it, you've successfully created a header in Card.co. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting stylish and functional headers that enhance your site's visual hierarchy and user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.